I'll show you how to add social media links in Elementor just like my example here. In Elementor Editor Widget section, type in Social Icons. Drag and drop the widget into your section. You'll see a bunch of default icons. To remove icons you don't need, just hover over the X mark. For example, I'm deleting Twitter and Facebook. To add new icons, tap Add Item, click Icon Library and search for your custom icons. I'm adding WhatsApp and Steam here. Now, to add your links, click on each icon and paste your URL in the link box. And that's it. Your social media links are now added in Elementor. I'm about to style these icons to match my brand's colors, so stick around if you want to see the final result.